Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will explain to you about the annotations in TypeScript, what are annotations and how they work. I will show you step by step. Okay, so this is the first testing purpose we did in previous part 1 video. If you not watch, please watch it and come to this video. So now let me create another file called annotation .ts. Okay, so you can name it whatever you want, and I want to show you what are annotations. So let me show you in 3 scenarios. Okay, so the first one is in string data type. So now for example, let me create a let first name which equals to let first name this symbol and string, and which equals to like binatrix. Okay, so semicolon. Now this, what we call it, is annotations. Okay, so we are telling to the TypeScript I'm creating the string data type which holds binatrix, and this is the variable name. Okay, so now let me test this data type, console.log, and this first name, and semicolon. Let me save it and run. I already show you how to run in the previous tutorial. Control plus enter, the code runner will come in your VS Code editor. Okay, so now it is running and I will get this output called binatrix. Okay, so that is great. So now my intention is, what if we add a wrong data type in here? For example, if I add some number, for example 23, then there is a red line. Okay, so there is red line says that type number is not assignable to type string. Okay, so this is TypeScript error. Okay, so it will correct us with we are adding the wrong information data type. Okay, so we have to change this to a string. Okay, so if we change to a string, this error goes. Okay, so the first name is binatrix, sorry, binatrix. Okay, so that is good. Now let me show you on other data type. Okay, on the number. Okay, so let's my age is a number and it's equals to like 20. Now let me console.log my age. Okay, let me console.log my age, and when I go to the output, I got this first name, and this is the output of my age is 20. Okay, now let me comment this. Okay, let me clear my output window, and again when I run it, okay, so when I run it, I get the output of my age in here. Okay, I don't know why it's not control enter. Okay, so here is my age is coming in TypeScript, so this is good. Now I am working on the number. What if I change this to string, for example 5? Okay, so there is TypeScript error. It says that a string is not assignable to type number. Okay, so we have to add only a number, not a string. So if I add 11, save it and run it, and we get this what we call it output. Okay, so this is how we work annotations in number. Lastly, let me introduce you to the boolean concept. Okay, to boolean. Okay, so let's for example is student. Let me give it a boolean data type, and which equals to true data type, true. Okay, good. Now after that, let me say that console.log is a student. Okay, is a student. Now when I save and again when I run this code, I will get a result of true because it is true when I did the false, and when I save it and again when I try to run it, it gives us a false as you expected because we are declared it's a false. But if we add a different data type to a string, again there is red line comes, it says the type string is not assignable to the boolean. Okay, so this is also error. Okay, so this is how you work in what we call it a annotations in so this is how you work annotations in TypeScript. So this is are the basics of annotations you have to know in TypeScript. So we declare the variable, and after we create the variable we give it the data type and we assign. Then this process is called annotations, and I hope you learn something. And this is the part 2 tutorial series of TypeScript, and I see you on the next video. Please subscribe and like my video. Bye bye.